My 3D printer is not working. It seems like the nozzle got blocked. So let's open it. We have to heat the nozzle before removing it because the PLA gets hardened and it's too much difficult to remove the nozzle. This rubber grip is a heat insulator. Let's remove it. We have to remove this pipe as well. Now let's remove the nozzle. Clean the extruder at first. Sometimes extruder too gets blocked along with the nozzle, but here it's clear all the way. The easiest way to clean the nozzle is to put it on fire. The PLA will get evaporated and this way the nozzle gets cleaned. But still the carbon gets deposited on the inner surface. So clean it before placing it back. Here we can see throughout the nozzle there is no dirt remained. Let's put the things back. Now it works nicely as it should be. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.